Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you what I eat on the Starch Solution for a quick lunch. I'm also going to show you a mini Trader Joe's haul. Some of these products I'll be using today in the recipe, others are for later in the week. So I'm still continuing with my video series where I am focusing on the basics of the Starch Solution, working our way to getting back on track from the holidays if you went a little off track like I did, which is totally normal and it's okay because we're gonna get right back on track. If you're not familiar with the Starch Solution, I will leave a link to Dr. John McDougall's book, The Starch Solution, in the description box so you can learn more about it. But everything you see here today will be Starch Solution compliant. I also started a Facebook group that I will link below to help us get support, inspiration. We can just help each other and keep each other on track. And I think it's a great way to build a community. And right now, with the way things are, being in the middle of a pandemic, it's great to connect with like-minded people. On my channel, you will find whole food plant-based recipes that are quick and easy. As I've told you before, I'm a full-time RN and my recipes need to be super fast. I work 40 plus hours a week, and when I get home, I need things that are quick at the ready. If all this sounds good to you, I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Tuesday and Saturday, and you can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Chew on Vegan. Today I'm going to be making a butternut squash mac and cheese. I got this recipe, the original recipe was a Forks Over Knives recipe, and I tweaked it a little bit to make it my own, but a really good, solid, basic, whole food plant-based recipe, delicious as well. So let me get started with my little mini haul here. We'll start here. I got some cremini mushrooms. These are great because they're already sliced, and I use these in stir fries, if I want to make a gravy, in all kinds of things. They're just really good to throw in salads, so this is a good one. I also got an English cucumber, love those in my salad. I got some strawberries that I could use if I make pancakes or if I make a smoothie. These are great to have in the freezer to throw in. Also got a lemon and a lime, which I use in my cheese sauce. The lemon, lime I just like to put on my burrito bowls. Got a nice little red pepper here, also great in salads, stir fries. I've got some arugula, which I love, and this is going to go in our recipe today. Romaine hearts. I love these for lettuce wraps, to go in salads, burrito bowls, you name it, you can use it. Also got a bag of organic carrots. I use these in my cheese sauce, and just to steam along with my veggies, I'll throw some carrots in. Got some bananas. We always need bananas in our life. Great snacks. And then this viewer told me about these Autumn Glory apples. I don't know if you've heard of these. They are so good. They have like a hint of cinnamon and caramel. They are really, really good. So if your Trader Joe's carries these, definitely get it. I think this bag was like $4.99. They're organic, 2 pounds. So I thought that was pretty good. And then another thing we're going to be using today is the red lentil pasta. I love to use this red lentil pasta. It's higher in protein and in fiber, which is all a good thing. So to make this butternut mac and cheese, very easy. I've already got my butternut squash cut up into chunks. I've steamed it. It's behind me here. I've got my pasta water going. I've got a skillet over here with a little bit of water. I'm gonna saute my onions. So I'm gonna throw my onions in right now. So we'll get those going. I'm also gonna throw my pasta in. We're gonna be using that red lentil pasta. I'm gonna use about probably 1/2 to 3/4 of this bag. So I'm gonna throw that in right now. So to the onions, we're gonna add 3 or 4 cloves of garlic. I've got about 4 cloves here, and about 1/2 teaspoon of fresh thyme. So we're gonna let all that saute until the onions are soft, which will be about 7 minutes or so. The pasta's gonna take about 9 minutes, so hopefully the onions and the pasta will be done about the same time. Okay, onions have sauteed. We're gonna add these to the Vitamix. Now I'm gonna add my steamed butternut squash. I'm going to add 2 cups of soy milk, some nutritional yeast, some vinegar, and healthy pinch of salt. Okay, I'm going to blend this up and I'm going to drain the pasta and then I'll meet you back here. So the pasta has been drained. I put it back into the pot. And then I'm going to add some broccoli, which was already steamed. I just reheated it into the microwave. And I'm gonna add my sauce here. Oh my gosh. Let's see how this looks. Toss all this in. Hello. This looks amazing. I think that's enough. Wow, I made a lot of sauce. Cool. I will be making this again. Let's do a little bit more because it likes to absorb in. And then I'm going to toss in a handful of arugula. It just makes it a little, peppery. I like arugula. You can leave this out if you like, but I just like to add some greens to everything I eat. All right, let's get this in a bowl. Stat. That's nurse talk, by the way. I'm gonna do a little bit of the thyme just to garnish it. And then I want a little bit of some red pepper flakes just to jazz it up. Now, how does that look? Amazing. Let's give this a taste. So here we go. This is amazing. I've got to taste it. I love the arugula and the broccoli. Oh, and all the spices. It's sweet from the butternut squash, the little red pepper flakes, little heat. And I love the pepperiness of the arugula. So good. I'll put the full recipe in the description box below. If you found this video helpful, I hope you will leave me a comment below. Also, please again, if you could subscribe to my channel, share it and like it, I would really appreciate it. And check out my Facebook page as well. We'll keep each other on track. Until next time, thank you. And I'm at an angle and I don't like it. I feel so far away. And I think I'm gonna throw my pasta in right now. We're gonna use 8 ounces. Let's try that all again because I had my dang unbelievable. Not too organized today, people.